Hello, this is Michael and welcome to another EAP video. Today we're just going to show you a few tips around the dashboard and searches. When you first log into EAP, you would have noticed this dashboard here, this chart, sorry. This is a monthly connections chart, which gives you an overview of connections made for the current month, back 12 months. The bar graph, that gives you a count of connections, actual services connected. The solid line, this gives you projected values. These are based off of 6 months of data, as you can see up here. And you'll also have an option for all these data values to include test accounts. By default, we do not include test accounts, but if you click this link, the chart will reload and it'll include any test accounts. The latest addition is this dotted graph line you can see here. Now this is target values. You can reach out to us and give us a list of target values, either for individual months or just one set target value for a specific product, and we can upload this into EAP for you. So all these different values, when you've got a lot of products to offer, this chart can get rather full. So just a little tip is you can turn certain products off. So just say we only want to look at subscription products, we could go up here and go, okay, we'll turn off all the EAP products, and there we go. Now we can only just get an overview of subscription. And just to turn them all back on, you just reselect. Nice and easy. And it just tidies things up just a little bit for you. Awesome. Okay, let's take a look at searches. There is currently 5 search criteria. You can search by clients, services, transactions, invoices, or notifications. They all work exactly the same, except you're searching for a particular data type. So let's go clients. So all we have to do is just choose what I'd like to search by. We can say first name, choose a filter, we'll just go with equals, and then just put in what you'd like to search by. We'll just put Michael and search. Very easy, that's it. A new, what we've just added recently is this condition, a condition, where you can now do multiple searches. So let's add a condition here. So we could not only just search for a first name equals to Michael, we could go first name and or, say or, first name equals test. So now we want to search for all clients that have a first name equal to Michael or a first name equal to test. When we go search, there we go, we've returned clients with the first name Michael or first name test. You get a maximum of 4 conditions you can add. 2, 3, 4. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.